welcome back to All Things Nawni, where I create videos about the things that I enjoy, lifestyle, luxury, and travel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and if you're a returning subscriber, thanks so much for joining me again. So today, I'm back to snatch your edges with another unboxing. This one, I feel like, I don't know, I can't decide if this is better than the last one, but I'm equally excited about it. This is a double Van Cleef and Arpels unboxing. Like what? What? I'm shocked myself. Can you guess what it is? What would I have gotten from Van Cleef and Arpels? So let's get into it. Here's the bag. A little damaged because, again, bought this in another country, had to bring it back home. You know the drill. But, and also I have like a lot of stuff inside this bag. I'll give you the backstory once I open it. But I gotta take some of this stuff out that's inside of here. I'm being so ridiculous today. I feel like I need to start this video over, but anyway. Here's the boxes. So we'll do them one at a time, of course, but so cute. Love the packaging. All right, so I already have one item in my Van Cleef and Arpels collection. I have the Sweet Alhambra bracelet in carnelian, which is the red stone, and then it's 18 karat rose gold. Originally ordered this online. This is the first piece that I ever got from Van Cleef and Arpels. I hadn't seen it in person. I just saw it online and thought it was cute. Ended up being, you know, a lot smaller than I was expecting. I've been seeing like the vintage Alhambra bracelet with the 5 motifs online, and I thought this was gonna be the same size, and it wasn't, but I still like it, and I wear it all the time. I wanted to first show you that before I show you what I just got. Let's open the first one. I don't even know which one this is and what's in here, so I will be surprised with you. I love these soft boxes. It says VCA on it. It's just super nice to keep your jewelry in. I'm just gonna have it face you, and it's falling. But here we have the vintage Alhambra bracelet in onyx with 18 karat yellow gold with the 5 motifs. I'm just like really in this jewelry phase. I used to be obsessed with handbags and buying like as many designer handbags as I could, but now I'm really into jewelry and bracelets in particular. I don't know why that is, but here we are. So cute, so stunning. I have been obsessed with Van Cleef for a little while. So when we went to Europe, that was another thing that was on our list to, you know, look into, go into the store and decide if we wanted to purchase them, try them on and everything like that. We went into the Van Cleef and Arpels stores in London. They didn't have the onyx, but they had other colors that we tried on that we really liked. And then we went into the store in Paris, and that is where we bought these items. And we had a really, really nice experience there. I forget the woman's name that helped us, but she's been working there for like 4 years. There will be a little bit of her in my Paris vlog because she allowed me to record in the store. Just super knowledgeable and helpful, and just made it a really good experience. This is obviously one of the popular items because celebrities wear it and everything like that. And so there were other people in the store buying these bracelets also, which was kind of funny. I'm obsessed with luxurious things. I'm a Libra and I'm just obsessed with beautiful, nice things. I just took it out. So here we have all 5 motifs. I will try it on. I'm not sure if I'm gonna get it resized or anything like that. When we were in the store in London, the gentleman showed me a way to wear it without getting it resized. And so that might be what I do. But here's how it looks on my wrist without me shortening it. Super pretty. I tried it on with my sweet alhambra bracelet, and it looked really cute together. But let me see if I can get it on. The good thing about the sweet alhambra is it has multiple holes for you to hook the bracelet on, so I would normally wear it on the second setting. This bracelet, I don't see that it has that same thing, but again, in the store they showed me a way to shorten it. Obviously a huge difference between the sweet and the vintage in size, but I think stacking it looks cute, and I think it's symbolic to me because I started out with the smaller one, which was more affordable for me. Never thought I would get the vintage just because of the price. I'm happy that I was able to upgrade and get it. It's really nice, guys. With this on, I'm gonna unbox the second item. So what do you think it is? Here we are. Again, same box, so it's pretty obvious what this probably is, but girl, get into it. Get into it. Okay, so we have another vintage alhambra bracelet, but look at this color. We just couldn't not get this once we saw this color and tried it on. It just looks so good on. I just can't. This is another vintage alhambra bracelet, 5 motifs, 18 karat gold, and the stone is agate, A-G-A-T-E, or I don't know how you pronounce it. You just see how gorgeous that is. Honestly, originally I wanted the onyx. Like, that was what I was planning to buy. That's what I was set out on the hunt for. And then we went to London and they didn't have the onyx, but they had this baby. I put that thing on. Even my husband, who like hates when I spend a lot of money, he was like, you have to get that. Like, it was just, it's just too beautiful. Like, he was like, you have to get it. So I got it. So I'll try this on as well. We saw the tiger's eye while we were there. We saw the carnelian, but obviously since I have the sweet alhambra bracelet in that stone, I didn't want to get that one, but it was beautiful as well. I kind of wish I could have gotten that one originally. We saw the mother of pearl, and then they had them in white gold as well. I mean, look at this, guys. Look at that. It's so pretty. Like, I can't even. I'm obsessed. I am literally obsessed. They should have me do a commercial. I cannot. I literally, hold on. Let me scoot up. Let me scoot up so you can see better. Like, calm down. I don't know, like I said about the Cartier, I don't know where I'm wearing this, what I'm gonna be doing. I don't know. I mean, this is, I feel like it's, for me, it's too much to wear all of this at the same time, in addition to like the other bracelets that I have that I like to wear on a regular basis. So I probably would just wear like one of the vintage and my sweet together with like my other bracelets. But I mean, if this was what I wanted to do, it's killing me. It's killing me. I love it. I love it. Even like without having it shortened, it's not bothering me either. Like, even though it's like loose and hanging a little bit, it doesn't bother me. So I want to show you what else they gave us when we were in the store. Obviously, you get the travel pouches. So this is what you put your bracelet in if you're traveling. It's soft. You just like the box, attach it there. Says VCA, just really nice. So we got 2 of these for each bracelet. And then additionally, I shared with the sales associate that when I ordered my sweet alhambra bracelet online, I didn't receive a travel pouch for it, which was kind of like disappointing. And so she said that I should have received that. So she was nice enough to give me something for that as well. She didn't give me this, but she gave me this. I can just tuck it in and that's fine. It'll do the job. Chocolates, of course, they give you chocolates to eat while you're in there, and she gave us some to take home. They gave us champagne while we were there. It just always elevates the experience and makes it feel more fancy to me. I'm a sucker for like freebies and just giving me a luxurious experience. She also gave me cleaning instructions, and then inside is a cleaning cloth, which is nice. And then this is the cloth. Says Van Cleef and Arpels. It's pretty big as well. Obviously, You get your certificates for each item. Lastly, which I thought was super cool, so we were getting ready to leave and she's like, have you ever been given the Van Cleef and Arpels book? And we were like, no, of course not. Like, this is our first time making such a big purchase here. She gave us this book, which I haven't even opened to see what's inside, but I'm excited to put it on my coffee table. It feels really cool. Let me open it and see what's inside while we're here. Why not? Oh, it's very nice. Oh, just all about the Alhambra. Hope I'm saying that correctly, actually. But just really nice. This book is all about the Van Cleef and Arpels Alhambra design. So of course they have necklaces, earrings, rings, and all that. Hopefully one day I can graduate to matching earrings or a necklace for the items that I have. But until then, I can look at them in this book. So I thought that was really nice of her to give us this coffee table book. And I am gonna read it because I wanna learn all about the history. She shared some of that with us while we were in the store, but I don't remember any of it. So I just think it's really cool just to know more about the items that you have, who designed them, where they come from, how they created them, things like that. I think that is everything. Again, like, I can't. Period. I'm not spending, I have one more unboxing that I'm gonna come back and do for you guys, and then I'm done for the year. Like, I'm not spending any more money. Well, it's October now, so it's gonna be December, but I'm not spending any money like in 2023 either. I gotta wrap it up, but I'm excited for the things that I do have. As far as pricing goes, again, buying it in another country makes the pricing different than what it was in the US. I will say we did save, as that was my focus. If I'm going to be over there and I can save some money buying these expensive items, and that's what I'm going to do. So with a VAT refund and then just the US to euros, it changed the pricing and we did save. So I would recommend, if you are going to Europe, do your research and see if it's worth it to buy it there at the time that you go. And I think that's it. So thank you guys so much for joining me for another unboxing. Super excited, super happy. I appreciate you all watching my videos, and I will see you guys next time.
Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my mom's YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the bell notification.